In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two Outlook accounts on one computer. The goal is simple: add a second email account so both show up in one Outlook app, side by side, with shared access to mail, calendar, and contacts. I'll walk you through the newer Outlook experience first, then the classic version, so use the path that matches what you see on your screen. If you're on the newer Outlook, begin by opening Outlook and accessing settings from either place you commonly manage them. You can go to the View tab and choose View Settings, or open the File tab and select Account Info. From there, look for Accounts, then Your Accounts. Under Email Accounts, choose Add Account. Type in the email address of the second account you want to add. Outlook may prompt you to sign in for security. If it does, enter the account password and proceed. When Outlook finishes validating the account, select Done. That's it for the newer interface. This links the second mailbox to your app so it can start syncing. If you're using classic Outlook, the process is just as straightforward. From the top menu, select File, then Add Account. Enter the email address for the second account and click Connect. If Outlook asks for a password, provide it to confirm ownership. When the sign-in completes, select OK and then Finish. Classic Outlook will add the mailbox and begin syncing right away. After adding the account in either version, give Outlook a moment to populate folders and calendar items. If the new account doesn't appear immediately in your folder list, simply restart Outlook so it can refresh the profile and display everything correctly. Once it shows up, both accounts will sync in parallel. You'll see each mailbox with its own inbox, sent items, and calendar, which makes switching between them quick and intuitive. This setup is especially helpful if you manage a work account and a personal account, or need to keep project mail separate while still using one app. A quick note on expectations: the first sync can take a little time if the mailbox is large, so don't worry if you don't see every folder right away. Also, depending on your email provider's security, you might be prompted to confirm the sign-in through their normal verification process, which is completely standard. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.